Fourth generation computer. The period of the fourth generation was 1971 to present, using large-scale integration LSI and very large-scale integration VLSI circuits. Hardware technology. The technology used is large-scale integration LSI and very large-scale integration VLSI circuits. Thousands of transistors are integrated on a small silicon chip using LSI technology. Microprocessor is a chip containing millions of transistors and components designed using LSI and VLSI technology. Semiconductor memory replaced the earlier magnetic core memory, resulting in faster access to storage. Secondary storage device like magnetic disk became smaller in physical size and larger in capacity. The linking or networking of computers is another key development of this era. Software technology. Several new operating systems like the MS-DOS and MS Windows developed during this time. This generation of computers supported graphical user interface, that is GUI. The GUI is a user-friendly interface that allows user to interact with a computer via menus and icons. High-level programming languages are used for writing programs. Physical appearance. They are smaller than the computers of the previous generation. Some can even fit into the palm of the hand. Examples: Intel 4004 chip was the first microprocessor. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh. Disadvantage: the latest technology and highly skilled staffs are required for manufacturing of microprocessors, so it is difficult to build. Applications. They became widely available for commercial purposes like billing and computing machines. Computers became more powerful. They could be linked together to form networks, which eventually led to the development of the internet usage.